Church of Uganda, Dr. Samuel Kazimba Mugalu, has robbed government leaders who have turned their offices into centers of corruption. He was speaking to Christians who stand up to mark the ecumenical public way of
is to throw away all our burdens, all our baggages to him, so that he can save us. Baggages of selfishness, greed, corruption, political violence, character assassination, blackmailing. We must ensure we throw them to Jesus. Jesus. Yes.
He explained that this has led to poor service delivery of government programs. Kazimba said disunity among political leaders, tribalism, nepotism, and torture are other vices that Ugandans are facing today.
Wake up! Don't you see a perishing? I wonder why Jesus was really sleeping. Obviously, he was tired. As a human being. I wonder why Jesus' boat was really hit mostly. There is a story, there is actually a message behind this, which is important. It doesn't mean that when you are a believer, you can't find problems in this life. Even when you have Jesus, still you can have problems. There is a teaching that when you accept Jesus, you don't have any problem. When you accept Jesus, money will just come automatically. When you accept Jesus, everything will be fine.
He appealed to leaders to work together and serve God's people without minding which political party they belong to. At the same occasion, the Archbishop of Kampala, Paul Semogerere, condemned the increasing cases of murder and torture of civilians going on in neighboring Democratic Republic of Congo and South Sudan.
Mu Rwanda abandi bari mu Congo, South Sudan, Sudan, ziri mu kwetika musalaba. Ari naffe tulina ebizibu awaka, abaana abonyabonyezebwa kati balaba ku bakadde baabwe, abalala bali mu street era mujja basanga abalala bali mu makomera tebalina misango babuulizibwa bonna musalaba ogwetwetikka Mukama waffe kitwetikka ogw'okubeera ffe tumanyulire Katonda waffe emisalaba egyo nga tugyeyingiramu ono ebibeera essaala yakwebuulirira tuzuukire ebikyamu ebyo ebingi tubireke mu ntaana.
He appealed to Christians to seek God and repentance for their evil deeds and thanked them for their participation in the Lent period that leads us towards the Easter holidays. The Vice President of Uganda, Jessica Alupo, commended the Church for its contribution to the education and health sectors, saying this has helped the government to fulfill some of its cardinal responsibilities.
Forgiveness, fasting, compassion, and service to humanity. We are currently doing it during the Lenten season. I would like to remind us that even after Easter, we should continue with the same attitude. Your Grace, the Archbishop, You have preached unity, you have preached hard work, prosperity, you are preaching peace, integrity, humility, etc. I would like to call upon the faithful to embrace your message as we journey together with Christ in his passion.
She requested the religious leaders to promote parish development model and wealth creation programs to help government improve the social and economic livelihoods. The marking of the ecumenical public way of the cross attracted Christians of all walks of life. William Mulwanga, Beg Television.